Hi guys, and we are back and we are looking again at the sh family, that tricky, sneaky sh. He is a sneaky sh. And it's really tricky for us to actually find him because he is hiding behind the sounds that we actually already know, isn't he? So let's look again for that sneaky sh. Oh no! The sneaky sh has caught the s, the t, and the k, and it's going to try and trick us. So look out for those sounds today. So here we go. Here's the first one. Sh, g, r, sh, g, r, sugar or sugar, sugar. Yummy, yummy sugar. But here she is, the S, and the undercover. The sneaky sh has hidden himself behind the s sound, just a single phoneme s. He squidged right up, found himself on his side, and he's a sh, and he's a sh in sugar. Sugar, but we spell it with a s, but we hear the sound sh. This one, sh, 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 two sounds in that one, sh and sh, So there's a digraph, then a trigraph, sh, sh, Are you sure? But again, he's gone undercover and he's hidden behind the s. He's hidden behind the s. What about this one? It's very special. Special. But he's hidden. He's gone undercover and he's breathed right in. And he's turned on his side and he's going to hide behind a curly K. He's going to hide behind a curly K this time. And the curly K still makes the sh sound. Sh, e, or special. Oh, here's one. Sh, e, o, s. It or us. It's tricky, but it makes a eos. It's a funny old word, but eos. Look at the picture, see if you can work out what that word is. Precious. Precious. The precious gems were hidden in the cave. The precious gems were kept under lock and key. Precious. Precious. My precious. And the curly K is hidden again. Curly K. Precious. That's how we ever spell that, if you ever need to. Precious. Ooh. And now we're looking at the ones where the sh hides behind a t to make a shun. Often it's a shun sound that he makes there. He makes a sh-un. Also in cushion, but we spell that with a sh. It's the same sound in cushion, but we spell it with a sh in cushion. So this is a k shun. Action. Action. Ready, steady, action. Action. This is another tricky one. Oh, so we've still got that shun like we'd hear in cushion. But this, the train is waiting at the station. 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 But he's hidden behind another T. He's hidden behind another T. Station. So if we read that without the sh, it'd be statin. Statin. But it's not. It's station. It's station. And I've put the eyes on the I because it helps that t make the sh sound. We don't often see the t making the sh sound if the I doesn't follow it. Now, I'm going to help you with the next part and we're going to do it together. Okay, because some of the words are tricky. Now, the sneaky sh, the sneaky sh, sneaky, sneaky, sneaky sh. The sneaky sh is hiding in this paragraph. It's hiding in this letter for you. And how many times can you find the sneaky sh? So, here we go. If you hear the sneaky sh, maybe you could put your finger on your nose or you could write it down. Here we go. You have a special mission from the Queen. You must keep her precious sugar machine safe from Charlotte the chef. She has a plan. She has a plan to use a parachute to get all the sugar from England. You must take action to protect the special sugar. Good luck. So I'll read it once more without tapping my nose and see if you can keep up. Remember, you're looking for that sneaky sh. You have a special mission from the Queen. You must keep her precious sugar machine safe from Charlotte the chef. She has a plan to use a parachute, to get all the sugar from England. You must take action to protect the special sugar. I wonder what plan you could come up with as well. Good luck. Okay, so that should help you. Write them down in your book once you've spotted them, or you could reread it to an adult. So that's up to you what you do there. But good luck, and I'll see you again soon.